नमस्कार दोस्तों, अचीवर्स पॉइंट सरोवा ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ HPSSC के द्वारा जारी एग्ज़ाम जो कंडक्ट किया था स्टाफ नर्स का, आज की पूरी आंसर की लेके आया हूँ। तो शुरू करते हैं पहले क्वेश्चन से। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, प्रिवेंशन ऑफ फूड adulteration act was amended in option B is correct 1976. Second question is, good source of vitamin D includes all except option is correct blueberries. Next is, the word personality is derived from Greek word persona, which means option B is correct mask. Next is, in which defense mechanism an emotional conflict is expressed by a physical illness or physical symptom without any organic cause. Option D is correct, suppression. Next is, nurse patient relationship is, option is correct, human to human relation. Next is, which of the following is not the type of the bound? Ulcer is the correct answer, option B. Next is, immediate treatment of ingestion of poisonous subject is, option is correct, induce vomiting. Next is, the minimum score possible on the Glasgow Coma scale is, option C is correct, option 3. Next is, concentration of KMnO4 solution used for oral hygiene is, option C is correct, 1:100. Next is, what is mandatory before glucose tolerance test? Option A is correct, NVM 8-10 hours prior to test. Next is, knee chest poisoning position is also known as, option C is correct, genupectoral position. Next is, method of administering a drug by tropical friction over skin is called, option B is correct, injection. Next is, infusion of 1000 ml of NS over 12 hours require how many drops per minute when the drop factor is 15 drops per minute? Option C is correct, 21 drops per minute. Next is, in autoclave temperature should be, option B is correct, 121 degrees Celsius. In adults, most common site for taking pulse is, option B is correct, radial artery. Next is, Hell's test is test for, option B is correct, Bailey salt. Next is, calculation of pediatrics doses of medication for children under the age of 1 year is done using which formula? Option B is correct, Fried rule. Next is, 1 ounce is equal to, option B is correct, 6 teaspoon. Next is, which of the following is considered as most important aspect of hand washing? Option C is correct, friction. Next is, the founder of modern nursing is, option B is the correct, Florence Nightingale. Next question is, Maslow hierarchy of need is useful to nurse who continuously prioritize a client's nursing needs. The most basic of first level needs includes, option D is correct, air, water and food. Next is, lactated Ringer's solution is contradicted in, option C is correct, lactic acidosis. Next is, the stool discharge for ostomy is called, option C is correct, colonic fluid. Next is, color coding for nitrous oxide cylinder is French blue, option C is correct. Next is, sharp instrument should not be sterilized by, option B is correct, boiling. Next is, the most common injury among older person is, both को consider करेंगे A and D. Next is, immunity means, option A is correct, antibodies and antigen reaction. Next is, which of the following is moist heat method of sterilization? Option A is correct, autoclave. Next is, the disadvantage of incinerator is, that is, option A is correct, highly toxic gases. Next question, which antibody is responsible for allergic response? Option D is correct, IgE. Next is, the causative agent of plague is, option B is correct, Yersinia pestis, a kind of bacteria. Next is, Red Cross Society was founded by, option B is correct, Henry Dunant. Next is, which committee is also known as Health Survey and Development Committee? Option A is correct, Bohr Committee. Next is scaling test is used for detection of, option B is correct, cyanocobalamin deficiency. Next is temporary hardness of water is removed by, option is correct, boiling. Next is the National Family Welfare Program in India was launched in, option D is correct, 1952. Asha worker is posted in all given below places except, option D is correct, super specialty hospital. Next is Niti Aayog was established by Government of India on, option B is correct, 1st January 2015. Next is imaginary perception is called, option B is correct, hallucination. Next is which therapy is used for treating phobia, option is correct, aversion therapy. The Mental Health Act was passed in which year, option C is correct, 1987. The duration of ECT is about, option is correct, 0.1 to 1 second. Next is stage of mania, which is characterized by intense sense of happiness is, option. Next is the disease is characterized by 4 A's of behavior is, option C is correct, schizophrenia. Next is immediately before expulsion of feces, which of following cardinal movement occurs, option D is correct, external rotation. An important landmark of pelvis that determines the distance of descent of head is known as, option C is ischial spines. Next is early amniocentesis is done in which period of pregnancy, option A is correct, 12 to 14 weeks. The placenta should be delivered in within how many minutes after the delivery of baby, option B is correct, 30 minutes. Which of following fetal poisonous is most favorable for birth, option A is correct, vortex. Next is in fetal blood vessel where is the oxygen content, option A is correct, umbilical artery. Next is anterior fontanella is ossified in, option C is correct, at 18 months. Next is the freely prepared ORS should be used within, option B is correct, 24 hours. Which component lack in human blood, option B is correct, vitamin D. Sir, muscle wasting growth failure and loss of subcutaneous fat are feature of which of the following, option is correct, marasmus. Which of antidote for streptokinase, option B is correct, amino caproic acid. Next is the first sign of dioxin toxicity is most likely to be, option D is correct, nausea and emesis. Next is which of the following is injected deep IM by Z technique, option B is correct, iron. Which of following is a functionally active from vitamin D, option D is correct, calcitrol. Next is the term bacteria was coined by, option D is correct, Ehrenberg. Next is component of cell wall of fungi is, option C, chitin. Irregular nuclei are present in, option B is correct, basophils. Next is collagen fiber are characterized of which tissue, option C is correct, connective. Next is plasmolysis which occurs when the cell is placed in, option is correct, hypotonic solution. Next is cell membrane is, option A is correct, semi-permeable. Most common monomer of carbohydrates is, option is correct, glucose. In meiosis, synapses occur during, option B is correct, prophase. Testosterone is secreted by, option is correct, leading cells. At the time of implantation, human eyebrow is called embryo, option is correct. Ovulation occurs under the influence of, option is correct, luteinizing hormone. Amniocentesis is the withdrawal of amniotic fluid in, option C is correct, gestation. Sickle cell anemia is, option C is correct, autosomal recessive inheritance. Next is DNA nucleotides are attached by, option B is correct, covalent bond. Inferiors are, option is correct, antibacterial proteins. Next is which is respiratory disease, option C, asthma. Hepatitis B virus is, option A, epidena virus. streptomycin is produced by? Option D, streptomycin gracious. Option next is dermatoglyphs is connected with option A, skin disease. Next, the DNA element with ability to change its position is called transposon. Next is the seal found at Indus Valley site are made of option B, bronze. The philosophy propounded in the Upanishads is known as Vedanta. Option B. The important administrative functionaries in Mauryan age were known as option B, Atyas. Who founded the Chola Empire? Option A, B, both could be considered. Next is the only Sultan who declared himself Caliph was Mubarak Shah Khilji. Option B. The famous peacock throne originally belonged to Shah Jahan. Option B. Tipu Sultan was finally defeated at the hands of Lord Wellesley. Option B. The Paramatma Samaj, Prarthana Samaj was established by? Option C is correct, Atmaram Pandurang. Block mountain have originated as a result of folding. Option A. The horizontal movement of air is called wind. Option A. The largest island in Indian Ocean is? Option D, Madagascar. Which is not a greenhouse gas? Option D, nitrogen. Which of following is structurally the most stable region? Option A, the Indo-Gangetic plain. Next question is on which river are the Marble Falls located? The answer is option A. Option is considered. The next question is a body falling freely under the action of gravity has no weight. Option A. The friction in the following fluid is called viscosity. Option C. Water is? Option B, polar compound. 95% ethanol is called rectified spirit. Option A. From where we borrowed the parliamentary form of government? Option C, Britain. What type of writ is not issued under Indian Constitution? Option A, injunction. Next is who administered the oath of office to the president? Option A, Chief Justice of India. What is the retirement age of Justice of Supreme Court? Option C, 65 years. The purpose of devaluation is to? Option A, encourage export. Capital mark regulatories? Option C, SEBI. D is B's father, B is C's sister-in-law, and A's daughter. Who is A related to D? Option is correct, wife. Next is if the fifth day of month is Tuesday, what will the third days after the third Friday in month? Option is correct, 17. Which is the largest district area-wise of Himachal Pradesh? Option C is correct, Lahaul Spiti. Which district of Himachal Pradesh has lowest scheduled tribe population? Option is correct, Unna. Indrahar Pass connects Kangra with? Option C, Parmoor. Hanuman Tiba in Himachal Pradesh is? Option D, mountain peak. Next is Pin Valley National Park is located in which district of Himachal Pradesh? Option D, none of these. Jaskar mountain ranges separated Himachal Pradesh from? Option A, Tibet. Who was the first chairman of Himachal Pradesh Public Service Commission? Option A is correct, LK General KS Kattoj. In which year was the Big Landed Estate and Land Reform Act passed in Himachal Pradesh? Option C is correct, 1950. Getty Theatre was opened in Shimla by British in? Option B is correct, 1887. Which role of Bilaspur were forced by people to leave the state before his tyrannical rules? Option D is correct, none of these. Which rules of Chamba was first to adopt the title of Varman? Option D, C is correct, Aditya Varman. Himachal Pradesh Technical University located at which place in Himachal Pradesh? Option D is correct, Hamirpur. Which major hydro project in Himachal Pradesh is being run in collaboration with Russia? Option D, Koldam. The book Himachal Pradesh, Its Shape and State is written by Dr. Y.S. Parmar. Option B. Suhi Fair is celebrated at which place in Himachal Pradesh? Option C is Chamba. When is the World Braille Day celebrated every year? Option A, January 4. Which state has recently launched a helpline for women called Damini? Option is correct, Uttar Pradesh. Sunita Lakra, who announced her retirement recently, is famous Indian player of which sports? Option C, hockey. Meaning of the item to beat the air is option C. To make effort that are useless or vain. Antonym of word magnanimous is option D. Small. You must dash your career with seriously. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. परस्यू. चरित्र का विशेषण है ऑप्शन बी चरित्रता. उपवन का पर्यायवाची है ऑप्शन ए वाटिका. जूते चाटना मुहावरे का अर्थ है ऑप्शन सी चापलूसी करना. Haversian canals are found in option A bones. Heat regulating center is located at option B hypothalamus. Mitral cells are present in option C olfactory tract. Sensitive pigment layer of eyes option B retina. The initials granules of nerve cells are made up of option D protein. Type of joint between sacrum and coccyx is option 1. Not consider any question. Next is the main solute component of urine is option A urea. The site of homogeneous is option A ovary. Bone is example of option A connective tissue. Afferent nerve fiber carry impulse from B receptor to CNS. Length of male urethra is approximate option A 18 to 20 cm. Which bacteria is normally present in vagina? Option C Lactobacillus acidophilus. Next is blood group were first discovered by option no option given. Next is which of following arteries primarily feed the anterior wall of the heart? Option C is left anterior descending. The term respiratory refer to option A all of these. Which of following statement by client to nurse indicate a risk factor for coronary artery disease? Option C my cholesterol is 180. Which complication of cardiac catheterization should the nurse monitor for in the initial 24 hours after the procedure? Any option is good. The nurse is performing a neurological assessment on client posterior right cerebrovascular accident. Which finding, if observed by the nurse, would warrant immediately attention? Option C altered sensation to stimuli. Which drug is used in treatment of hyperthyroidism? And is correct. Calcitonin. A nurse enters the client's home to discover that the client has no pulse and respiration. After calling for her help, the first action the nurse should take is option C establishing an airway. Next is small breathing is associated with option B is correct diabetic ketoacidosis. Pheochromocytoma is associated with option A adrenal gland. Webster test is done to diagnose option B hearing loss. Nurse patient ratio in ICU should be for 24 hours. Complication of myocardial infarction includes option D all of these. Fracture within the last inch of distal radius is known as option A Cole's fracture. Which of the following alimentary canal is the most common location for Crohn's disease? Option D terminal Wilson. Preparation of client for occult blood examination is the nurse preparing to assist the physician to examine the client's skin with a Booth's light would do which of the following? Option C shave the skin side. Next is if breath sound are only heard on the right side after intubation. Option A extubate, ventilate for 30 seconds, then try again. Diazepam is prescribed for client with anxiety. The nurse instructs to accept side effect. Option A in coordination. Spinal anesthesia is given a L3-alpha. What is option B? What is odinophagia? Option B is correct pain during swelling. Which hereditary disease is most closely linked to aneurysm? Option C is correct Marfan's syndrome. Sympathetic nervous system induces option D all of these. ECG changes in myocardial infarction is option A ST segment elevation. Classic symptoms of deep vein thrombosis includes all the following except option D, redness. Now a nurse will teach breathing exercise for patient with chronic bronchitis. Option D is correct. Use deep inhalation breathing. Nurse is taking care of patient with VT and she must be aware that venous body will be lodged in option B, lungs. Conjunctival cirrhosis occurs due to the deficiency of option A, vitamin A. A patient with gout should follow what type of diet? Option B, low. A patient is suffering from a broken jaw. Which would he most beneficial for patient? Option D, soup, pudding and आइस क्रीम. दोस्तों ये थी एसएससी स्टाफ नर्स की होल आंसर की. आशा करता हूँ इससे आपको काफ़ी असिस्टेंट मिली होगी. आपको जहाँ जहाँ दिक्कत आ रही थी हमने कोशिश की है उसको क्लियर करने की. आज की वीडियो में आंसर की के अलावा कुछ नहीं. फिलहाल फिर मिलेंगे एक नई वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद दोस्तों.